Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to another AI News Roundup. I'm your host, Babs, and today we've got some interesting stories to delve into. From AI job losses to surprising achievements, we'll cover it all. Let's jump right in. According to a recent report, 37% of business leaders say AI replaced workers in 2023, but experts disagree with Elon Musk's prediction that no job will be needed. AI technology is enabling job restructuring and allowing humans to focus on higher value tasks. The concept of human-centered AI seeks to enhance collaboration, not replace people. However, the impact of AI on layoffs and work restructuring must consider the technological divide between those with and without internet access. Professionals can avoid redundancy by continuously developing new skills, and companies that invest in employee development will be better positioned. AI tinkering and individual experimentation can help understand the possibilities of AI. While layoffs are happening, there is no historical evidence of mass unemployment due to technological advancements, as the workforce has shown malleability and the ability to adapt to new technologies. Tang Xiao'ou, the billionaire founder of Chinese AI giant SenseTime, has died at the age of 55. Tang, also an information engineering professor, co-founded SenseTime in 2014 and played a key role in its innovation and research strategies. The company has faced challenges, including being added to U.S. trade and investment blacklists. Its revenues have slowed in recent years, leading to a decline in investor enthusiasm and a drop in stock price. SenseTime was also attacked by a short seller, but the company denied the allegations. Tang's net worth was tied to his shares in SenseTime, which were valued at $2.5 billion in the latest ranking. Not much was known about Tang's personal life. The article discusses how AI chatbots, hens, and humans can all hallucinate. It explores the concept of hallucination in the context of chatbots, highlighting how they can generate false responses. The word hallucinate is chosen as Dictionary.com's word of the year, and its history and evolution are traced. The article also touches on the association of hallucinations with drug use, sleep deprivation, and psychiatric disorders. The increasing acceptance of hallucinogens in psychedelic therapy is mentioned. The philosophical implications of AI hallucinations are explored, with a humorous reference to a chatbot falling in love with a Times journalist. The AI system FunSearch, based on large language models, has shown that artificial intelligence can help mathematicians generate new solutions to mathematical problems. The system, called FunSearch, uses a specially trained LLM to write computer programs that can generate solutions to specific mathematical problems. The system then checks if the solutions are better than known ones and provides feedback to improve. The team tested FunSearch on the cap set problem in the game Set, and it was able to improve on the lower bound for n equals 8. The technique allows people to see the successful programs created by the LLM and learn from them, promoting human-machine collaboration in mathematics. And that's a wrap for today's AI News Roundup. Keep those circuits charged and stay tuned for more updates. And remember, why did the robot go on a diet? Because it had too many megabytes. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.